If you follow this video step by step, you will be able to create a professional NFT marketplace website yourself, because I will share with you the premium source code to create a professional NFT marketplace website. Yes, dear visitors, you can create such professional NFT marketplace website using this premium source code. You get an admin panel to manage this NFT marketplace website. As you can see, this admin panel has all the functionalities to manage NFT features. You can manage all types of NFT tasks using these important feature sections. You also get many other important features and functionalities in this admin panel. I will definitely teach you in this video how to customize the admin panel features. Any type of user can easily log into our website using a MetaMask account. Now you can see the professional dashboard of a user account. Users can easily view their account balance and make deposits as needed. Users can also request withdrawals of their earned funds easily. And users can easily submit their NFT items to this marketplace. So let's now learn step by step how to create such a professional NFT marketplace website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create NFT marketplace website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple, and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish NFT marketplace website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.3 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some of these folders. So now I will teach you step by step how to add permissions to these folders. Now we need to submit the information to the database here. So now let's learn step by step how to create a database in the hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the hosting panel database information to the website. For this, please follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to submit the admin login information here. Now we will click on the Install Now button. Then we need to verify the purchase. For this, we need to submit the purchase verification information correctly here. Then we need to click on the Activate Now button. We have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. So now let's log into the admin panel. Now you will go to System Settings. Here you get all the important features and functionalities to customize your NFT website. You must connect these important APIs to your website. Also, if you have any problems understanding the features of the admin panel, please contact us and we will definitely help you. In this video, I shared premium source code with them to create a professional NFT website. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video completely. If you don't want to miss our next videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel.